If you're looking for an enjoyable and effective way to improve your physical and mental health, swimming might be the perfect activity for you. Whether you're splashing around in a pool, diving into a lake, or enjoying the waves at the beach, swimming is more than just a recreational activity, it's one of the best full-body workouts you can do. Swimming is unique because it combines cardiovascular fitness, strength training, and flexibility, all while being gentle on your joints. It's suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels, making it a versatile exercise option. Not only does swimming keep you physically fit, but it also provides mental health benefits, helping you relieve stress and improve your mood. In this video, we're going to dive into 10 incredible health benefits of swimming. From improving heart health to enhancing flexibility and even boosting brain function, swimming offers a comprehensive range of advantages. If you've been considering taking the plunge into this aquatic workout, this is your sign to get started. Make sure you stick around until the end to learn why swimming is considered one of the most effective exercises for overall well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Vives for more tips on staying healthy and active. Let's dive in. Number 1. Provides a full-body workout. Swimming engages almost every muscle group in your body, from your arms and shoulders to your core and legs. Each stroke helps build strength, tone muscles, and improve endurance, giving you a total body workout like no other. Number 2. Boosts cardiovascular health. Swimming is an excellent aerobic exercise that strengthens your heart and improves circulation. Regular swimming can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Gentle on joints and bones. Because it's a low-impact activity, swimming is easy on your joints and bones. It's ideal for people with arthritis, injuries, or conditions that make high-impact exercises difficult. Number 4. Improves flexibility. The stretching and reaching movements involved in swimming help improve flexibility, particularly in your arms, shoulders, and back. Over time, this can lead to better posture and reduced stiffness. Number 5. Aids in weight management. Swimming burns a significant number of calories, making it an effective way to manage weight. Depending on the intensity, you can burn anywhere from 200 to 500 calories in just 30 minutes of swimming. Number 6. Enhances lung capacity. Swimming requires controlled breathing, which helps strengthen your lungs and improve oxygen efficiency. Over time, this can enhance lung capacity and benefit your respiratory health. Number 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. The rhythmic nature of swimming, combined with the soothing effects of water, helps calm the mind. Swimming is known to reduce stress levels, alleviate anxiety, and even improve symptoms of depression. Number 8. Promotes better sleep. Engaging in regular swimming can improve sleep quality. The physical exertion combined with mental relaxation helps you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. Number 9. Strengthens bones and muscles in children. For growing children, swimming helps in developing strong bones and muscles. It also improves coordination and motor skills, making it a great activity for physical development. Number 10. Boosts brain function. Swimming increases blood flow to the brain, which can improve cognitive function and memory. It's also been linked to better focus and problem-solving skills, making it beneficial for mental sharpness at any age. Conclusion. Swimming is more than just a fun activity, it's a powerful exercise that benefits your body and mind in countless ways. From improving cardiovascular health to enhancing flexibility and reducing stress, it's a workout that truly does it all. If you're ready to take your health and fitness to the next level, consider adding swimming to your routine. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Healthy Vives for more tips on living a healthy and active lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.